なぜこれをやるかというと、後で
Alright, you're gonna need to slow down on that one. I
大丈夫。
feel like we're in like some Japanese infomercial. Hi, I'm Alix.
And I'm Rie.
And I've participated in a lot of challenges for Tasty, so today I thought I'd ask my friend Rie to teach me one of her favorite Japanese recipes, but with a twist.
はい。アレックスは今日何を作るか何も知りません。そして私は日本語でしか料理を教えることができません。Are you ready?
I took Japanese once
Did
for a week in middle school.
Okay, sure.
So I think I know what I'm doing.
Okay, cool. Do you want to show off your Japanese?
Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto.
Gumball!
It sounds like Gumball.
So you recently had a huge lifestyle change and you eat more healthy, right?
I do, yeah.
So
well, I try.
I think this is the best. You will love it.
Oh!
Yeah.
So I know it's healthy then.
I don't say it's healthy, but it fits your lifestyle.
Okay.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Should I just put them all together and see what happens?
No, I can give you instructions,
Okay,
don't worry.
okay.
All right, let's get started.
All right. Gumball.
頑張ろう。
Gambaro.
Yes. じゃあまず最初にお米を洗います。
Did you tell me to do something? Okay.
はい。
Wait, one more time.
お米を洗います。
Thank you so much. So sweet of you to say.
お米。
Okay, May.
お米。
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Rice?
2カップ。
In a cup. That sounded like English. Nikapa. In a cup.
2
In a cup?
2カップ。Do you know how to count Japanese?
Oh, ichi, ni, two.
Yes.
2 cups. I do
Good
know it.
start. Good start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hiro,
No.
kiro, tiro, miro, some sort of iro.
6、
Roku. No, I don't remember.
7、
Shichi,
8、
hachi,
9。
kyu, yu, ju.
Wow.
That was literally from my middle school Japanese
Oh
week-long
my
class.
god. じゃあ2カップ
Ni 2 cups of rice.
中に
There.
1、
Ichi.
2
Just spilling all over. Got a little excited that I knew how to count to 2.
でお米を洗います。
Water, move it around, wish it around, wash it, wash it,
Yes.
wash it, dump it. Okay.
Okay. じゃ
Am I bringing this? What do I do? Oh yeah.
あはい行きましょう。
Okay. Ikumasho. The twist.
で水
I'm assuming it's water.
はい2カップ
2 cups.
Yes 1、
Each.
2
Me.
では蓋を閉めて
Hmm?
お米を炊きます。じゃあ次のステップに行きます。油揚げ
A blage.
油揚げどれですか？はい。Okay.
Wow. I'm just a good guesser, honestly.
じゃあ蓋開けて
I'm assuming you opened this plastic. So interesting. I've never felt these things before.
油揚
It's like
げ
a little pillow.
そうそうそう。Have you had this before?
No.
Okay.
I don't know. Nice to hear.
Like I should have given it to you. This is tofu, but it's fried.
Fried tofu. Okay. I mean, I've had fried tofu before, I guess.
じゃあ箸で
Hashide.
コロコロ
Roll it. Roll it out.
優しく。
Yasaska. Roll it out. Give it a little massage. Little tofu massage.
Good. なぜこれをやるかというと、後で袋が開けやすくなります。大丈夫。
Stop. Daijobu.
全部。
Another one. Move over. Flattening it out. I don't know. Maybe I need to make a little sandwich.
Have you been to Japan?
Yeah, I have. I was like 12 or something, so I didn't really fully appreciate. Like I need to go back for sure. But I loved it. It was so cool, so fun, so beautiful.
Do you remember what you ate?
I remember having like the freshest cut a lobster in front of us. But yeah, I want to go back and feed the little deer, the cute little deer. We're gonna do that together. I'm already planning the trip. Hi.
じゃあ半分に切ります。
Hamburger.
半分に
Cut in half.
はい。
Ah!
Okay. ちょっと待って。ちょっと待って。ちょっと待って。ちょっと待って。ちょっと待って。三角。
In a triangle. Triangle.
はい。
All of them? Okay, I can do that.
All right. Good job.
I love all the hyping up in here.
じゃあお水ポットに入れて。
Mizu pot.
水を沸かします。
Water in the pot. Water in the pot. Mizu iremasu. Water in the pot. Done?
はい。
Okay. I'm assuming we're boiling the water.
Yes. 油揚げ。
Ablage.
覚えてる？
We boil the tofu?
はい。
Okay. Seems a little weird. All of them? Okay. Ooh.
はい。
You know, put it in there a little. How long, Rie?
1分。
1 minute?
Yes.
Okay. I thought that was gonna be like some other number. 18, I don't know.
This is fried, so I want to remove some of the fattiness.
Oh, wow.
You don't
to
need
like
to.
make it healthier?
It's a little too greasy if you don't do this.
Yeah, I noticed because the grease kind of came off on the chopstick when I was rolling it out. Has it been a minute? Done? And into the strainer. Just dump it? Okay. Woo!
はい。
Hi.
じゃあ水。
Mizu. I always forget this one. You say it a million times. Mizu. Water?
Yes.
Yes. It's like miss you. Miss you, water. I'm gonna try to like remember these things.
You just wanna cool it down.
Cool. Okay.
はい。大丈夫。絞ります。
Put it in there? No?
絞る。
Squeeze it. Oh, squeeze it.
一個ずつ。
One.
優しく。
Gentle.
Yes.
Gentle.
And 一個ずつ。
Oh, one at a time. Oh, sorry. I like to like do a lot at once. Just do a little gentle squeeze.
How does it feel?
Kind of cool.
優しく。
Gentle? I'm not the most gentle, as we know.
Not to me.
Did it squirt on your face?
Told you 優しく。優しく。
Lo siento.
ロシエント means I'm sorry,
Yeah,
right?
how do I say?
ごめんなさい。
Gomenasai.
はい。
Hi.
よくできました。
Can I have a towel?
いや。
Arigato.
次のステップ。油揚げを、
Tofu.
広げて、
Unfold it?
like そうそうそうそう。
all the way? No, no, no.
そうそうそう。
Just
そ
like
う
that.
そうそう。で入れます
Pop it in there?
はい。
Just open them. All of them?
はい。I wonder if you have had this dish.
I don't think I have. I have no idea. Some sort of tofu rice, maybe? Sounds good. I'm getting hungry.
水を1カップ。
1 cup of water.
はい。
In there?
あー待って。待って。置いて。
Oops.
はい。
Do I have to squeeze it out again?
It's okay. 砂糖大さじ3。砂糖。
1, 2, 3, 3.
砂糖。
Salt? Salt? Sesame seed? Sugar?
はい。
Huh? Sato. 3 teaspoons. 3 tablespoons.
はい。
Ooh, what is this sugar? Yeah, it's fluffy.
Japanese sugar.
I love
あ、待っ
it. Oh no, you had to tell me. Okay, 3 in there. We got it.
1。
2, 3.
醤油。
Shoyu. I know shoyu.
Oh yes.
Soy? Oh, soy sauce?
はい。3。Here.
In here.
はい。1、2、
3.
みりん。
Mirin.
はい。
I know my alcohols.
1。
One.
はい。はい。
Right?
はい。
Right?
で、混ぜます。
Stir it up.
はい。
To like dissolve the sugar.
そう。
Gosh. I am so smart.
で、それを入れます。
In there.
うん。
On.
うん。
Woo.
沸騰させて。
Heat it up.
沸騰
Heated.
沸騰。
Bubbling. Bubble. Boil. Boil. Okay. Bring it to boil. Simmer.
そうです。落とし蓋を作ります。
Then we're gonna do cover it
で、
with a paper. Cover it with paper.
でも
Oh, then we put it on here.
違う。
Put the paper on top. Cut it, the paper.
そうそうそう
Cut the paper. Put it on top. Then
はい
put a cover on. No, no cover. Just put the paper on.
そうそうそう
So cut the paper in a circle.
はい
Circle.
これをここに。
This is Rie's origami like stuff. I'm always forget it.
はい。で、
But it's a trick to cut the paper in a perfect circle.
これをここ。
Koreo koko.
でこれをここ。OK。ね。
うんどうぞ
で、
Half or full?
ハーフ。
Half, yeah.
いや、
Coco.
ここ切って。
Coco kite. Coco kite? Okay. Oh, so it like lets out a little steamy steam?
Yeah.
Got it. Cool.
Yes.
I wonder how many times you'd need to do this to actually learn Japanese. I feel like I'm getting somewhere. Good?
Yeah.
Just make noises. That's how you get through this.
So the reason we do this, we don't have a lot of like simmering liquid. So
Okay.
it's kind of like lid, but with steam.
I saw someone do this for like making steamed buns.
Oh, okay. Yeah. In Japan, we have smaller lid for this called otoshibuta, but this is French technique called katouche.
Ooh, katouche. All right, so how long do we got this going for?
10分.
I think that's above what I know.
No.
No?
Okay.
10 minutes? 10 minutes? Japan!
か、汁
Take the
が
paper
なくなるまで。
It'll be smaller. It'll be evaporated. Then take the paper out. Then we take it off. Then we drain it. Then we move it. Then we...
So okay.
Running out of words here!
Listen. So like this right now, right?
Yeah, it will evaporate more. Okay. I think I said that.
Really?
Yeah. In the word vomit I just did.
Okay.
I'll let you just say hi when we're ready to go.
Hi.
I feel like I kind of know what's going on now. I don't know what it is because I've never had this.
Yeah.
But we have like some rice, we got like a syrupy tofu kind of thing.
合わせ酢を作ります。砂糖小さじ2杯。
Take off the thing.
砂糖。
Salt. No, sugar. Salto. It's tricky because salto sounds like salt, but it's sugar.
小さじ
A teaspoon? Oh! 1 teaspoon.
2。
2 teaspoons.
そう。1、
2.
はい。じゃあ次塩。
Salt. Oh, shio.
ピンピンピンピン。
砂糖塩。
Yes.
They should be switched.
Why?
Because she likes sugar. Salto, salt.
小さじ半分。
Hamburger.
半分。はい。酢大さじ2杯。
Something over here.
酢。
Soup? Soup. Rice vinegar.
Yes.
Okay.
2。
Two.
大さじ2。いや。1、
2.
2で混ぜます。溶けるまで。
Okay,
じゃあ
Down.
ご飯
Ooh.
2カップぐらい。はい。
Alright.
ボ
ンボンボン
あ、ちょっとずつね。
No,
ちょっとずつ。
Yeah, put a little in here.
もっと。もっと。はい。じゃあ混ぜて。黒ごま。
Korogama. Put this in there. No. Oh, you were not happy about that one. Korogama. Well, what have we not used this? Okay.
大さじ2。
Hi. Ooh. Beautiful. What's beautiful?
美しい。
Thank you. Hi.
はい。I'm gonna taste it.
Oh, we get to taste? Good.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
美味しい。
Oh, she. Oh, she. I know, it's good.
美味しい means delicious. You're getting a lot of beeps. Like.
I know.
Beep.
Oh, she.
じゃあ次に行きましょうか。最後のステップ。
Gumball. Gumball.
頑張ろう。
Gambaro.
蓋を取ります。
Take the thing off.
これを
Crayon. Drain it out.
はい。
Hi.
はい。それで大丈夫。
Okay.
じゃあ手に
Dip my hand in there. Okay. Just dip. Rub it? What am I doing?
でゴルフボール
Ooh,
ぐらい。
are we making like a little ball thing?
そうそうそう。
Is this like what they ate in Spirited Away?
Do they? I don't know.
They ate the little triangle thing? Oh
They
man,
might.
I always wanted to eat one of those. It's so good.
丸く。
Little ball. Little round.
で、
There.
じゃあ開いて。
Inside. Open.
そうそうそう。で、
In here.
はい。
Put it in there.
そうそうそう。よかった。
And then like, do?
そう。I thought you won't get it. I was like,
Oh my god.
So the reason you dip with sauce is like rice doesn't stick with it.
Oh.
Yeah, and also seasoning.
I get it.
Yeah.
Got it. Cool.
ああ、よかった。
Okay, this is not what they ate in Spirited Away, but I'm excited to eat it.
Oh yeah, it's onigiri.
Oh, that's only getting.
Yeah.
But this looks great. Little tofu hat on the rice. What's it called?
Inarizushi.
Inarizushi.
Yeah, so it's type of sushi.
It's a type
vegan.
of sushi. Wow.
Yeah. So I picked this for
Vegan
you.
sushi. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Rie. So are we done with the Japanese? Did I pass the test?
Yeah. I was worried, to be honest.
Excuse me?
But I also confident because you know how to cook. You know how to cook. I think you did great.
think so too.
Okay, so let me bring mine and we can compare.
Cool.
Yeah. All right.
Woo!
Here's
Oh, so
mine.
cute. I like how you have them all in a line.
Yeah,
Mine's like a little messier.
I use exact same amount, but you know, mine's a little less because I was eating as this is so
I don't
good.
blame you. I really wanted to take a bite while we were doing
It's really good.
Yeah.
So let's try original first.
Cool. Yours, I assume. It's the original. Not mine.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very well seasoned. Like I think that's what makes it, you know, it's like saucy.
Yeah, it's like very juicy, right?
Yeah, the tofu like soaks up the juice. Oh, juicy. Juicy. All right, should we try mine? Ooh, I could eat like 10 of these.
Yeah, it's good, right?
Yeah.
It's like snack.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Did you eat these after school?
Sometimes, yeah.
Juicy. Really good.
Yeah,
I love it, if I do say so myself. I didn't think I could do it.
me too. I knew you could do it, but you followed exactly what I, you know.
Well, you know, the hand
instructed.
movements help.
Yeah.
I have to say. I think they're pretty much
Yeah,
the same.
look the same, taste the same.
Both juicy.
Juicy, both juicy. I think you did great.
Thank you.
I'd give you 500 million points.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
If you make this inarizushi, tag me on Instagram, tag Alex.
I
on
want to see it too.
Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time.
Juicy.
Juicy.
Oh, yes!